Welcome to this Mash Bite on adapting writing activities to meet the needs of SEND pupils in your school. In this video, we will explore how you can adapt the pre-made writing templates to get your children writing across the curriculum, especially in the foundation subjects. We'll also look at how to use the blank writing templates in Publish to create your own story scenes to inspire creative writing. And we'll look at how to use the power of the tool Connect as a word bank to get your children writing. Lastly, we will look at how we can set these adapted writing activities for individuals or specific groups of children in your class or across the school. The first thing I'm going to do is dive into the science curriculum area here from the home page and scroll down to the plants topic. Let's open up this template here on growing plants. There are hundreds of pre-made writing templates across all of the foundation subjects in history, science, geography, all of which can be fully adapted to meet the different needs of the children in your class.
The first thing you will see when you launch this template is this More button, which includes some information about growing plants that you could read with your class. To use this writing template to get your children sharing what they've been learning about growing plants, let's first add an image in from the gallery into this first image box. Now we're going to write in the text box. On the left-hand side, you will see a Think About box, which gives the children some prompts for the writing. To adapt this for your children, we have the option to record your own voice speaking these writing prompts. So for children who might struggle to read the text in the Think About option, they can instead click on the speaker icon to hear the recorded audio. Children could then use the sentence starters in their text box by clicking on the Add Text button here. Let's switch back to Teacher View now and have a look at some of the other ways we can customize and adapt this template. If I click on the Settings cog here, it opens the Customize toolbar, which enables me to add these additional features. I'm going to choose the Sound feature, and when I switch to Child View, we have the speaker icon that can be dragged into a text box. Children can then click on this and use the built-in microphone on their device to record their ideas orally rather than typing into the text box. They can then listen back to their recorded audio by clicking on the play button. Now, to make it easier for children to focus on the writing itself, I can switch off the Think About and Clip Art menus. Another option to adapt this writing template is to reduce the number of image and text boxes. I want to delete this image box here. When I click on it, I get the editing toolbar, so I can turn the position and resize lock off, and I can now delete this image box. I'll do the same thing with the text box so that I've now simplified my writing template to just have 2 image boxes and 2 text boxes. If you have adapted the Think About options, then you could save this list and apply it to any other writing template in Purple Mash. In this way, you could use the Think About options as a master vocabulary list, for example, for your science topic or your history topic, and apply this to multiple writing templates. Let's open up a simple blank writing template from Publish in the English tools. Firstly, I'm going to choose the Plants Clip Art category here and lock this so children can choose a picture to write about. Next, I'll switch on the Think About box and open up the list I saved previously from my files. Using the blank template landscape from Publish Plus, I can create a story scene to stimulate creative writing ideas. First thing I'm going to do is delete the clip art and add in just 3 images. I'm going to choose a redfish, an octopus and a dolphin. Let's create an under the sea scene by editing the background and choosing one of the pre-made backgrounds. Lastly, I'm going to add an adapted vocabulary list I created and saved earlier. Children can now drag an object onto the scene, use the microphone to create their own voice recordings, or perhaps add speech bubbles for the characters to speak and interact. Such a brilliant way to stimulate your younger learners or reluctant writers. I'm going to open up the concept mapping tool Connect and look at how we can use this tool to support writing for SEND pupils. Here is a sea-themed vocabulary I've created earlier by clicking on the page to add words, images and vocal recordings. If I now switch on the notes editing feature, these words and images can be clicked on to build up my written text using these as a vocabulary list. Any of these adapted writing activities can be set as a task for individual pupils or for pre-created groups of children. You will first need to save your adapted activity and use the share option to set it as a to-do. Creating groups to assign adapted tasks to is done through the Manage Users area. Teachers can create groups from the children in their class or across the school by clicking the plus button here and adding pupils to the group. If your colleagues work with this group, they can be added also so they can assign tasks for the children. To learn more about creating groups, watch the help video. If you want to discuss any of these ideas further, why not book a MASH chat with one of our expert teachers? We are here to help you get the best out of the tools and resources in Purple MASH to meet the needs of all the children in your class.